In front of me is Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Then click on this plus at the bottom left corner of this section. And firstly, to add an audio file, select Files. Now click on Audio at the top, tap on one of those apps or click on those three lines at the top left corner to pick one of those sources. Either way, click on your file to attach it. To add a video and select Gallery section instead, scroll down to click on your video, or select Folders, look for it here and tap on it to add it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!